Hello everyone, welcome to Writing Tutorials. Today we're going to learn how to write a professional and winning data analyst resume. I'm going to explain what this type of resume is, why each section is important, what you should write in each part, and I'll include the full sample throughout, so you can follow along easily and confidently. So first, what exactly is a data analyst resume? A data analyst resume is a professional document that highlights your ability to collect, analyze, and interpret data to support business decisions. This type of resume focuses heavily on technical skills, analytical thinking, and measurable results. Employers are looking for someone who can turn raw data into meaningful insights, improve processes, and help organizations grow. That's why your resume should clearly show your technical expertise, problem-solving ability, and impact through data. Now let's break everything down step by step. Header and contact information. Let's start with the very top of the resume. Here is the full sample. Ryan Cooper, 5932 Lakeview Drive, Seattle, Washington, 98101, United States. Phone, 2065-558147. Email, ryan.cooper@email.com. LinkedIn, linkedin.com/in/Ryan Cooper. Portfolio, www.ryancooperanalytics.com. Now, what should you write here? You always begin with your full name, Ryan Cooper. This should be clear and easy to read because it's the first thing employers will see. Make sure your name stands out at the top of your resume. Next, the address. 5932 Lakeview Drive, Seattle, Washington, 98101, United States. This helps employers understand your location, which can be important for job availability. Then, your phone number, 206-5558147. This must be accurate and active because this is how recruiters will contact you. After that, your email, ryan.cooper@email.com. Notice how professional it looks. Always use an email that includes your real name. Next, your LinkedIn. linkedin.com/in/Ryan Cooper. This shows professionalism and gives employers more insight into your background. Finally, your portfolio. www.ryancooperanalytics.com. For a data analyst, this is extremely important because it allows employers to actually see your work, dashboards, and projects. For tip, always double-check your contact information and make sure your portfolio link is working. Professional summary. Now let's move to the professional summary. Here is the full sample. Detail-oriented data analyst with over 5 years of experience transforming data into actionable insights. Skilled in data visualization, statistical analysis, and data cleaning, with a strong ability to support business decision-making. Proficient in SQL, Python, and data visualization tools, with a proven track record of improving efficiency and driving growth through data-driven strategies. Now let's break this down sentence by sentence. The first sentence says, detail-oriented data analyst with over 5 years of experience transforming data into actionable insights. This introduces who you are and your experience level. The phrase detail-oriented is very important in data roles because accuracy matters. The second sentence says, skilled in data visualization, statistical analysis, and data cleaning with a strong ability to support business decision-making. This highlights your core technical strengths and shows how your work supports business goals. The final sentence says, proficient in SQL, Python, and data visualization tools, with a proven track record of improving efficiency and driving growth through data-driven strategies. This adds specific tools and measurable impact, which is very important for this role. For tip, keep your summary to about 3 to 4 sentences and focus on both skills and results. Core skills. Now let's look at the core skills section. Here is the full sample. Data analysis and interpretation. Data visualization. Tableau, Power BI. SQL and database management. Python, Pandas, NumPy. Microsoft Excel, advanced functions, pivot tables, data cleaning and preparation, statistical analysis, problem solving, critical thinking, reporting and dashboard creation. This section gives a quick overview of your abilities. For example, data visualization shows you can present data clearly. SQL and database management shows you can work with data systems. Python highlights programming skills. Statistical analysis shows deeper analytical ability. Critical thinking is essential for interpreting data correctly. For tip, make this section easy to scan because recruiters often look here first. Professional experience. Now we move to the most important section, professional experience. Let's start with the first role. Here is the full sample, Senior Data Analyst. Insight Tech Solutions, Seattle, Washington. March 2021 to present. Analyzed large datasets to identify trends and support strategic decision-making. This shows your core responsibility and business impact. Developed interactive dashboards using Tableau and Power BI. This highlights technical skills and tools. Improved reporting efficiency by 30% through automation and data optimization. This is very strong because it shows measurable results. Collaborated with cross-functional teams to deliver actionable insights. This shows teamwork and communication. Designed data models to enhance data accuracy and accessibility. This highlights advanced technical ability. Now let's look at the second role. Data Analyst. Bright Data Analytics. Portland, Oregon. June 2018 to February 2021. Collected, cleaned, and analyzed data from multiple sources. This shows your data handling skills. Created reports and visualizations to communicate findings clearly. This highlights communication through data. Increased data processing efficiency by 25% through improved workflows. This shows measurable improvement. Supported business teams with data-driven recommendations. This shows your role in decision-making. Now the third role, Junior Data Analyst. Northwest Business Group, Tacoma, Washington. January 2016 to May 2018. Assisted in data collection, cleaning, and validation. This shows your foundational experience. Maintain databases and ensure data accuracy. This highlights attention to detail. Supported senior analysts in preparing reports and dashboards. This shows teamwork and learning. Helped identify patterns and trends in datasets. This shows analytical thinking. For tip, always use action verbs like analyzed, developed, improved, and include numbers when possible. Education. Now let's look at education. Here is the full sample, Bachelor of Science in Data Science, University of Washington, graduated 2015. This section shows your academic background. For data roles, your degree is important because it shows your foundation in analysis and technical skills. For tip, keep this section simple and clear. Technical skills. Now let's look at technical skills. Here is the full sample. SQL, Python, Pandas, NumPy, Matplotlib, Tableau, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Google Analytics. These tools are essential for a data analyst role. SQL is used for querying databases. Python is used for analysis and automation. Tableau and Power BI are used for visualization. Excel is still widely used for data tasks. For tip, only list tools you are confident using. Key achievements. Next is key achievements. Here is the full sample. Increased reporting efficiency by 30% through automation. This shows measurable success. Developed dashboards that improve decision-making speed. This shows impact. Recognized for delivering accurate and actionable insights. This adds credibility. This section helps you stand out from other candidates. Projects. Now let's look at projects. Here is the full sample. Sales Performance Dashboard. Built an interactive dashboard to track sales trends and KPIs. This shows practical work. Used Tableau to visualize data and present insights. This highlights technical skills. Helped identify areas for revenue growth. This shows business impact. Projects are very important because they show real application of your skills. Languages. Finally, let's look at languages. Here is the full sample. English, fluent. Spanish, basic. This shows your ability to communicate with different teams or clients. For tip, always be honest about your level. So to recap, a strong data analyst resume should include clear contact information, a strong summary, relevant technical and core skills, detailed experience with measurable results, education, technical tools, achievements, and projects. Remember, employers are looking for someone who can turn data into insights and drive decisions. Make sure your resume clearly shows your impact and value. Thank you so much for watching Writing Tutorials. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.